Rev up your engines! Lately, it's come to my attention that dozens of people are taking my original content on YouTube and putting them on Facebook and TikTok and claiming that, oh, they're either a fan base or some kind of nonsense like this. But some of them are trying to even sell stuff and using my name. These people are creating their own channels, pretending to be me, and some of them are so bad, they're even saying things like, for $2.99 a month, you can have access to Live Scotty. Well, let me tell you, I don't charge anybody anything for any of my videos. Some of these people are even trying to sell products on Facebook and TikTok, which are often cheap Chinese knockoffs, and using my name. And I've seen comments when I look at these other sites where people say, I didn't think Scotty would ever become so sleazy. He'd be pushing this cheap Chinese stuff. Let me tell you, it's not me. I don't do that. I don't sell anything through Facebook or TikTok. They're just trying to use my fame and information to sell junk to you. Because I spend months or years testing out products. I don't just stick them out there and try to sell them like these people are. And one thing that really struck me the other day is this. I put up a video on YouTube, and within minutes, my video was stuck up on TikTok, and I couldn't even put my own video on TikTok because it said, oh, this isn't original content. Well, that's because the other guy quick stole it, put it up, and I couldn't even post my own because it said I was a copycat guy. And when I asked the company, they did nothing about it. No, I've been doing YouTube for 17 years, helping people out with my information. And with social media the way it's going, I just don't understand that people are now so lazy. They just steal other people's work, stick it out, and in the case of these people trying to sell stuff, selling junk off of my name when it is not me. Now, I don't mind information. Everybody can have the information. I don't charge anything on YouTube. The information is free. But I do not want it tied in to people either selling junk or saying, for $2.99, you can see Scotty live. I do live webcasts Thursdays at 1 in the afternoon, Saturdays at 10 a.m. in the morning, and it's free. Anybody in the world can watch it on YouTube Live. I don't charge anything. Now, there's only one me for the good or the bad. Whatever way you take it, there's only one me, right? And I either am in Clarksville, Tennessee, or Portsmouth, Rhode Island. So, if somebody purporting to be somewhere else as Scotty, it's not me. It's not the real Scotty. I'll tell you a story. A few months ago, a guy emails me and he says, hey, Scotty, how do you like the electric bike I sent you? And I said, what electric bike? I didn't get any electric bike to try out. He says, well, I sent it to you in Florida. I said, whoa. My old roommate at the University of Illinois was from Jacksonville, Florida, but I don't live down there. Said, somebody scammed you. The real Scotty is not in Florida. So for any of you that are confused or say, you want to send me a product to test out, right? I'm in Clarksville, Tennessee, my mailing address, or I'm in Portsmouth, Rhode Island, right? Don't listen to anybody trying to get you to send something anywhere else. And to top all that off, if you think you got a scam being pulled on you, okay, my real email is scottykilmer@gmail.com. I'm the only person on the planet who owns Scotty Kilmer at gmail.com. Send me and I'll say, yes, that's a scam. I've had people email that say, Scotty, somebody told me I want a truck if I pay $1,000 for the tax on it, right? No, that's not me. I don't give away trucks. I analyze them, I fix them, I talk about them, but I don't give them away. So anybody that's trying to pull a scam like that, email me. I mean, right away you're gonna know it's not me, because I don't do that. But if you ever do have a question, hey, ScottyKilmer@gmail.com. That's me. That's That's the real Scotty. And I can tell you, if you got a question, hey, is this real? And I'll probably say, no, they're trying to scam you. Now, here is my real TikTok. Scotty Kilmer Official. That's the real me, okay? That's me. That's nobody else. That's me. Now, here's all the people that are fake that are trying to be me. Some of them have 30,000 followers, 47,000 followers. I mean, look at this. Okay, now here's one of the main fake guys. He's got 35.4 thousand followers. And watch this. It's saying Scotty Kilmer Showcase. That's not me. And he's showing junk products. And here's a code reader for $17.69. I would never recommend a scan tool that cheap. It might damage your car. That's just too cheap. Those aren't me. And all these thousands of people are following this guy, probably thinking he's me. He's not me. So here's what I suggest. At the end of this video, I'm going to have a list of these people that are pretending to be me, right? I've been helping you guys out for 17 years with your car problems. You can help me out with this leech problem right now. And you'll be helping everybody else out too, because then they're not going to buy this crap that somebody pretending to me is trying to sell. And that's this. Bombard them with negative comments. Why are you stealing Scotty's stuff? Report them. If enough people make a stink about this, then even a company like TikTok is going to have to do something about it, right? You can't have all this false stuff flying around making it look like I'm supporting something that I'm not. This is one reason that I do almost all my stuff on YouTube, because they have a system set up. If people are stealing even 10% of my video, I get notifications from them. They will ban the people that are doing that. I like it that they stand behind their creators. They don't let people just steal the stuff like, hey, I put my stuff on YouTube and then somebody steals it. They can't put it on YouTube. It'll be gone, right? That's why they go to things like TikTok, because those systems don't seem to care. I mean, TikTok, they wouldn't let me post my own video because they said it wasn't original material. It was me doing it, but somebody had already stolen it off of YouTube and then put it over there. YouTube is the place that I put almost all my information because people can access this. They know that there's no kind of viruses and things on it. It's safe for your computer or your phone. And before I forget, if you ever do have a car problem, like you have a problem like this guy makes a noise a certain time, make a short YouTube video. Then send me the URL for that video, because some people will occasionally send me videos from their phone or whatever, but they're a big file and they're not on YouTube. I can't download that stuff. There's too much problems with, I could get viruses, destroy everything I'm doing, then I can't post my videos on YouTube. So if you ever do have a problem, make a YouTube video. It's so easy to do, right? You can use any phone these days. You can go do a live one, do whatever you want, then post me the URL in an email, scottykilmer@gmail.com, and I can watch it and see. Don't make just a regular video and send it, because I can't download stuff like that. I'm only going to download YouTube videos because YouTube is trustworthy. I have never gotten any viruses from them, and anybody in the world, unless you're in China where they ban it, can put up a YouTube video to get their problem fixed. Now, to follow the car business, a lot of cars have fake things on them now. Fake grills, fake carbon fiber, fake whatever, right? And now there's people making fake Scotties on the internet to try to take advantage of people. Hey, I'm all for sharing information. I got nothing against that. But I don't like people using my image to sell junk, or even worse, to give you bad advice. Because these people are going to be answering questions, and it's not me answering them, and you'll say, well, Scotty told me this. Well, no, I didn't, unless you see it on YouTube or on my live broadcasts that I do on Thursdays at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, or Saturdays at 10 o'clock in the morning. That's me. You can listen to that, but don't listen to any of these other people, because they just have a picture that it's my picture. They stole that too, right? And they're pretending to be me. Hey, it's kind of like that famous football player who thought he had a really hot girlfriend, right? And it turns out it was all fake. It was some man conning him out of money, right? Well, I don't think anybody wants to look like me, but they're using my my image to do bad things with. You don't want to follow these people. You don't want to listen to their advice. You know, go to the Scotty Kilmer channel on YouTube. Ask me, ScottyKilmer@gmail.com. That's the real me, right? So it's easy enough to remember that. And when you see all these other things flying all over the place, Scotty this, Scotty that with my picture, just ignore them because they're not real. And even better, like the list I'm going to show now, bombard these people with negative comments, report them to see if maybe they'll take them off, because if that doesn't happen and hey, they let artificial intelligence take over, hey, there's going to be all kinds of people pretending to be Scotty, machines pretending to be Scotty. Just imagine the havoc that could create. Now, thanks for the years of support. I appreciate it, and I like helping people out. So let's get out there and start to shut these people down. They need to be shut down because, hey, they're dispersing bad information, trying to sell bad products, just using my face and my name when I don't have anything to do with it. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.